Zaky, you don't want to play? You don't want to play with the toys? And you don't want to play with Ummo? You want to be with Mama?
Mommy?
Yes, sir.
You say Zaky, clean up this mess.
Oh, you don't want to play because you don't want to clean up the mess. It's okay. It's okay, Zaky. It's okay. I won't ask you to clean up the mess. You can go and play.
Mommy?
Come on, go play.
Mommy?
Go, darling.
Zaky did it. Okay? Let's throw it in the basket. Zaky did it.
It's okay. You don't need to keep the things in the basket. You can just play with them. Okay? We won't ask you to clean up.
Okay?
No clean up.
There you go.
You like what Ummo made for you, Zaky?
I think the other was a nice chicken. I like chicken. No,
You want...
You're
Okay.
breaking it.
It's okay. It's okay. He wants to play. He wants to play on his own.